You are listening to KSG podcast. This is a short, crisp, concise, exam-oriented, edited editorial for civil services aspirants. In this podcast, we are going to talk about Project Cheetah. Source for the content is Nitin Kumar's article for the Business Standard. 7 decades after it was reported extinct in India, the cheetah was reintroduced in the country on the 17th of September 2022. Under Project Cheetah, the central government is reintroducing 8 African cheetahs, 5 females and 3 males at the Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Now, what is the Project Cheetah? Project Cheetah was approved by the Supreme Court of India in January 2020 as a pilot program to reintroduce the species to India. The concept of bringing the cheetah back was first put forth in 2009 by Indian conservationists along with Cheetah Conservation Fund, that is CCF, a not-for-profit organization headquartered in Namibia, which works towards saving and rehabilitating the big cat in the wild. In July 2020, India and the Republic of Namibia signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the Namibian government agreeing to donate the 8 felines to launch the program. This is the first time that a wild southern African cheetah introduced in India or anywhere in the world. Now, why are cheetahs being reintroduced? The major purpose of the project is to develop healthy meta-populations in India that allow the cheetah to execute its functional role as a top predator, the government had said earlier this year. The cheetah is a flagship grassland species whose conservation also helps in preserving other grassland species in the predator food chain. Talking about the homecoming plan, in 1947, Maharaja Ramanuj Pratap Singh Dev of Korea, Surguja, in what is today known as Chhattisgarh, reportedly shot dead the last 3 recorded Asiatic cheetahs. According to the reintroduction plan, the cheetahs will be placed in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, starting with Madhya Pradesh. The Prime Minister released 3 cheetahs at Kuno, while the rest will be released in phases. Project coordinators said the spotted cats are wearing satellite radio collars for geolocation tracking. Each cheetah also assigned a dedicated monitoring team. Close to 50 cheetahs will be introduced into the wild over the next 5 years. Now, about the logistics involved. The cheetahs were flown in on a Boeing 747. A total of 96 crore rupees has been allotted for the project, said officials at the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. To support the project, Indian Oil has provided an additional 50 crore rupees. Meanwhile, the Kuno National Park has been equipped with the required facilities according to the Cheetah Conservation Fund. The staff has been trained and larger predators have been moved away, said officials. Public awareness campaigns have also been formalized for the local communities, who termed as Cheetah Mitras, with a local mascot named too, Chintu Cheetah. Now, finally, we talk about the challenges involved. With Kuno National Park being home to lions and leopards, concerns have been raised over the coexistence of reintroduced cheetahs with the existing species. Chances of elimination due to conflict are high, wildlife experts have pointed out. The reintroduced cats could also face increased vulnerability due to their small size and climatic and ecological differences between their home country and India. This, however, has not dimmed the excitement of wildlife enthusiasts who are waiting to catch a glimpse of the world's fastest animal running across the Indian grasslands. That's it for this podcast. Thank you so much for listening. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IAS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this podcast on ksgindia.com.